Gambling is a horrible addiction that so many people are dealing with today and not knowing what to do about it. One of the statistics that strikes me as being pretty serious regarding gambling addiction is that it's the leading addiction that people commit suicide with. The reason being is because they end up going into such a financial ruin and not see a way out. And with drugs and alcohol, at least the person is numbing themselves to not feel the pain. But when you have a gambling addiction, there's nothing numbing that. And so when you get into that place of owing so much money and not knowing how to get out of it, that's when people commit suicide. And that's why I believe that it's the highest ranking of suicides within addiction. If you have a loved one that's dealing with gambling addiction, I promise you, don't wait until it's too late. When it's too late and we don't have the resources to pay for treatment and get the help that they desperately need, then it's a lose-lose scenario. Get it when it's early. If you see the behavior starting, if you see that something isn't right and they're spending more than what they have in the past or more than what you could financially afford, then take the action and pick up the phone and give us a call. And let us help you. Let us give you the tools that are necessary. You may not even need an intervention. You may just need the support on what to do to get your loved one the help. But at least give us the call and the opportunity to help you with what to do to help your loved one through their gambling addiction. Because I guarantee you, if they don't get help, it's going to be devastating. It's going to be home-wrecking, and nobody needs to let that happen. We could get them help today. With Intervention 911, we could get them the help that they desperately need. So just give us a call.